Alright guys, here is our Hamster Kombat mini game today again. Before now, I believe you should have claimed all of this daily cipher, daily combo, and daily reward. If you've not done that, kindly join our Telegram channel to get daily combos and the daily ciphers every day. Now, click on mini game. So as usual, our mini game, you're going to find a way to move this key from this candles to this open place here. Alright. So now click on play. Kindly watch closely now to see how I'm going to play it, because it is always 30 seconds. Now move this red one here down, raise this one here, take this up, bring this here, raise this up, bring this here, bring this down, bring this here, take this one back here, raise this one up here. Alright, take this one here, bring this one down here, bring this one down here too, take this one here, raise this one up, bring it here, bring this one here, bring this one here, bring this one here, then take it in. So puzzle solved and it is successful. So this is how it works, and we've earned the 8th key today. So if you find the video useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on our notifications for more updates. See you on this video.